go. There's no sound. There's no rain. Here, I'll switch it this way. The rest of the sky is clear, nothing, no clouds, no noise. The Lord is coming soon. Keep your courage up and hold your peace. I guess this would be called heat lightning. Or what do you think? This is in Virginia. I thought I heard something walking near me, but I can't see in the dark. Hopefully not. Beautiful. Now this is the other part of the sky. I thought I saw something here too. Nothing else. Nothing else. What is that? I don't know how much longer I can stand with my arms still. I want to watch this in slow motion. I know I see stuff there. Ooh. That looked like a ball. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Forgive us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom and the power and glory forever and ever. Amen. And though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I shall fear no evil, for my God is with me wherever I go. I'm just saying the word that comes into my heart. The goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life. All right, I gotta break for a minute.